Look, Jackson. Looky here. Mama's saving. Because I saw how she was cooking. And her wedding ring is all flowery.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it so flowery?
Because I've got flour on it.
Mommy, can I help you?
Not right now, baby.
I can help you with the other batch.
With the other batch. Am I doing another batch?
Uh-huh. So we can have more for tomorrow and more for Sunday.
Oh.
Don't
Don't touch anything.
I'm